Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Wings by the Jonas Brothers. It's one of their newer songs that just came out. So I'd say that this is more of an intermediate, maybe advanced level dance. I think it might be advanced just based on the rhythms that sometimes come out. So intermediate advanced level, so enjoy. Let's get started here. So you're going to start with a paradiddle, but you're going to add in a heel in the middle. So it's like a 5-count paradiddle. So you're going to go dig, spank, heel, toe, heel, dig, spank, heel, toe, heel. So 4 times through. Okay? So it's dig, spank, heel, step, heel. Let's give that a try 4 times. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And then from here, you're going to go into a little transition or like an in-between section. You're going to go dig, spank, heel, and then 2 shuffle heels. Shuffle, heel, and then a drawback. And you're going to repeat this again on the left side. So dig, spank, heel, 2 shuffle heels, and then drawback. Okay, so that's going to happen 2 times. So you're going to do 4 5-count paradiddles and then that in-between transition. So let's give that a try. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, shuffle, heel, drawback. And you're going to repeat the whole thing again. So starting back with those 5-count paradiddles. And then the dig, spank, heel, shuffle heels, drawback. Once on the right side. And then from here, this is where you're going to change it up a little bit. So you're going to go back into that dig, spank, heel on the left. But instead of doing the drawback, you're going to do a 5-count riff, but you're not going to end with the dig toe. You're going to end with a stomp. So it'll go step, stuff, heel, stomp. So it's like a 4-count riff, but you do it like a 5 because you do it with the heel drop in the middle. So that last part again is dig, spank, heel, step, stuff, heel, stomp. Okay? So from there, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to go into a very syncopated rhythm. So you're going to go into flap, ball, dig. So right, left, right. So right foot starts. Flap, step, dig. You're going to go spank, step, right, left, or right side and then left side. Okay, so again, that's flap, step, dig, spank, step. And then your right foot's free to go step, dig, spank, step. So that same kind of rhythm as before, but without the flap. Then you're going to repeat it 2 more times. Step, dig, spank, step. Okay, so a total of 4 times with that flap on the beginning or on the top. So it'll go flap, step, dig, spank, step, step, dig, spank, step, step, dig, spank, step, step, dig, spank, step. And then from here, step. So 5 steps starting on your left foot. So that'll go N1, N2. Yeah? N1, N2. Okay. So then you're going to repeat that for a second time. So right after N1, N2, you're going to go back into that flap, step, dig, spank, step. 4 total, 4 times. Last time here. Step, 5 times. So 2 times total there. Let's give that a try. So from top of this section. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to finish it off. Flap, step. Okay? Okay, so right after that, flat step, you're going to go into a standard triple time step. So starting with the shuffle on your right foot, you're going to do it 4 times. It'll go shuffle, hop, shuffle, step, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So 4 standard triple time steps. We just finished. Now you're going to go into a whole shim sham on your right side. So it'll go stomp, swing, step, and then with a break. Okay, and then this part goes with the music. So it's going to go shuffle, step, step, heel, heel. So almost like a triple cramp roll. It'll go again, shuffle, step, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, stomp, stomp, pull your feet together. Or not really a stomp, stomp, but more of a step, step, pull. So the last part is shuffle, cramp, roll, toe, toe, heel, heel, step, step, pull together. And that goes with the music. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's a very even rhythm there. Okay, so from the top, nice and slow, let me talk you through it here. So we have that 5 count paradiddle. It'll go 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And big swing, heel shuffle, heel drawback. Left side. Again, 5 count. Back to big swing, heel shuffle, heel drawback. 5 count with flat, step big, swing step. 4 times. Step, flat. Last time. Triple time step. 4. Shim, sham. Shuffle, cramp, roll, heel, toe, toe, heel, step, pull. There you go. All right, one more time, and I'm not going to say the steps this time. So here we go. This is up to tempo, and just working through the steps here. All right, and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So if you would like to do this dance with music, you can go ahead and find the link to that short that I posted earlier this week down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post my new videos. If you have a song suggestion, or if you want me to break down a step for you, let me know down in the comments below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.